Here is a quick recap of last week's setup. We are going to transform these somewhat nice balloons with a few ones that are deflated into something lovely and amazing. We are adding some white and gold balloons and a whole lot of cheer. Stay tuned. Hello. I'm such a clown. Make sure you watch this right to the end, as we do have a special announcement. Can't wait. Hello and welcome back. Our website, I'm going to put down here, is officially live now, so you can go ahead and make your purchases. Purchases will be shipped out within 2 business days. But in the meantime and in between time, these right here are the lovely balloons that we blew up last week. I wanted to keep them up so that you can see how long they actually do last. You can see though, however, there are a few balloons here and there that did not make it, but for the most part, they are here. They are good to go. So you have no problem setting up these balloons a day, 2, even 3 days prior to your event, because they are actually really good quality. We're just going to show you really quickly how to take these off the garland. Really all you have to do is pull them up and boom, it's gone. Once they are all off, you can roll up your garland and you can actually use it another time. Sorry, your garland strip. You can move your garland strip and use it another time. For today's video, we're actually going to show you something a little bit different. I am going to use some of these balloons, but I'm also going to use some other balloons as well. We're just going to show you the versatility of what you can do with or without these balloon garland strips. See my little balloon deflated. So here we have some white and gold balloons. This is what we're going to. If you're watching for the first time, we have a video showing how we blow balloons up. Check that out in the description below. Alright, so now that our balloons are all blown up, what we are going to do is we are going to tie them together. We are going to do some in pairs of, or not pairs, sorry, but sets of 3. And then the others we are going to do in quads. So very simple. We'll start with 2. And we're just going to tie them together like so, and a little knot. And so here we have 2 balloons. For our next one, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to take a pink and a small purple. Oops, almost got away. Same thing, we are going to tie it again in 2. And then how we make our quad is we are going to take these two, and push them together. And then we're going to twist the pink around the white. So it's gone around once, and then we're going to take the green around the purple. Or the purple around the green, whatever you want to call it. And here we have a quad. And so for the 3, quite simple. We've got 1, 2 balloons. We're going to tie these 2 into a knot. And then we're going to take one of the sides and another balloon. And we're going to tie and then we are just going to continue this process until all of our balloons are tied together. So we will do some in 2. And the best part about creating an organic arch is the fact that it doesn't need to be perfect. None of the balloons need to be lined up the same. You don't need to have a strict pattern. You do whatever you feel like, and then if there's something that you don't like, you can make minor adjustments to change it. So we're actually just going to speed through this really, 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 really quickly. And before you know it, I will be completely done. If you are following along with us, you may want to pause the video just for a few moments while you get caught up, as we will finish tying up these threesomes and quads relatively quickly. Here you can see we are just wrapping our quads around the pole, and what you do is you open it up to separate it, get them in, and then twist the 2 smaller ones around each other. You can twist the larger one, however you may risk popping them. The best part about doing this is that you are not tying them on or pinning them on, so if something doesn't look right to you, you can just switch it up very easily. So again, if there's too much pink, too much purple, too much white in one spot, you can just move them around and get the desired look that you're looking for. And here you go, we are done. So, you've made it to the end of the video. Head over to our Instagram, Events by Krissy GTA. Like the post that will have this backdrop. It will also say giveaway on the post. And tag 3 friends that you would like to share your party in a box with. Make sure you also comment the colors combination that you would like. Last day to enter the contest is the 20th of August, and draw will be 7 p.m. on the 21st. Don't forget, again, head over to Events by Krissy GTA. Like this post, follow our page, tag 3 friends, and comment what color combination you would like. Last time, head to our Instagram, like this post, follow our page, tag 3 friends that you would like to share a party in a box with, and comment the colors that you would like as well. Must live in North America.